you want it on the side. Or it's $16 if you just do soup and salad. So you can just have this if you want to. Otherwise, it costs extra with the stir fry. All right. The main dish is over here.
Ko naintindihan.
You just take your bowl and a tray like this, and you get to make your own stir fry. It's $21. It's not by weight or anything. If you don't finish it, you can take it home.
Okay?
If you get the soup and salad though, because it's all you can eat on the side, you're not allowed to take your stir fry home anymore. Just if you get the one bowl, you can take it home. Okay? If you want to do more than one stir fry, it costs $8 extra. It includes the soup and salad. You can come up to the grill as many times as you want to and try different stir fries if you want. All right?
Okay.
So just fill up the bowl with whatever you want. The sauce is the most important part. I recommend about 10 scoops because it goes really hot. You want it to cook properly, right? All right, you guys are starting with
Ganun pala yun. Ay, ang dami pala. Dami pala. Tapos iluluto doon. Doon siya iluluto. Gusto mo corn? May limit ba kung gaano kalaki? Hindi. Ilagay mo. Okay. Ganon. Patingin yung kay ano. Ganyan? Oo. Ang puno-puno ah. Para sa calamari. Wala lang pala. Panumbo na. Yung sa'yo. Frozen chicken. Sausage. Ito, sauce Mariosep. Ano ito? Dapat sauce. Yan ako sa iyo. Oo nga, no? Mga sauce. Garlic. Yummy pancit. Yummy ang pancit. Oh, ang daming pancit.
Yan, nagpa-vlog na si Aling Susi. Stir fry.
Stir fry sauce. Oh, hindi ka mahilig sa gulay.
Hindi, sayang naman na isang beses lang na tayo. Sorry.
It's okay.
There, I don't want it to...
Okay. Okay.
Use this one, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Ayan. Parang malabo nga. Bakit? Okay, anong sauce nila? Canola oil, ginger, honey mustard, Szechuan, red wine, black Mongolian,
Yeah.
tsaka lemon, classic stir fry, teriyaki. Ayan, gusto ko yung teriyaki. Hot honey. Teriyaki pineapple. Hot honey. Honey garlic. Yummy. Honey garlic. Ayan. Anong nilagay mo? Ginger.
Ginger soy.
Beto yung meron yung ano, oh, teriyaki at saka ano, sesame. Lalagyan ko ng sesame oil din.
Nalagyan niyo, te?
Oo, paki. Thank you. Yan. Satay, sweet chili. Dito ipapaluto natin. Tapos, anong inilagay yung ano, ganito? Chili powder, turmeric, cayenne. Choose your sides.
Me, just one egg.
Paano to? Ay, galing.
Pag may ano, no? Parang
Marami din.
magaling talaga.
O magaling silang gumawa.
Di naman dami.
Yeah.
Ito yata, hindi ka na pwede mo ba? Yung yatang salad ang pwede mo ba?
Kam- Wala pa. Ayun. Asan yung may birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Birthday, may
Happy
may
birthday.
maliit.
Mamaya na yung cake. Bablo pa ang cake mamaya na.
Walang kandila, nakalimutan ko.
Ah, baka meron sila. Baka meron silang kandila dyan.
May kanyang ano, patapat ng... Hindi ba may ano din doon?
Paano? Ay, ganyan.
Gusto mo puro karne, pagkatapos balutin mo na lang lahat ng ganito. Di ba pwede mag-uli? Mag-repeat?
Yeah.
Once lang, pwede kang mag-refill kaya lang $8.
Oo,
Yeah.
dati-dati ito. Kasi dati-dati, it all you can ito.
Oh,
Eh, ang soup, magkano naman ang soup? Hindi ba kasali ang salad dyan?